Hey everyone, let's talk about something nobody really wants to talk about, constipation. Now I know it's not glamorous, but trust me, it's important. Constipation, it's more than just an inconvenience. What if it's a warning sign from your body? We're taught to pop a laxative and move on, but what if I told you there are simple, natural ways to get things moving again? We're diving deep into the 5 surprising reasons you might be backed up, and more importantly, what you can do to fix it fast. Stay tuned, because in this video, we're uncovering 5 shocking reasons for constipation and simple solutions to fix it before it's too late. Our first culprit is a lack of fiber. You know how we always hear eat your fruits and veggies? Well, there's a reason for that. Fiber is like the unsung hero of your digestive system. It adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass, if you know what I mean. Think of your gut as a machine. It needs fuel to run smoothly. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are that fuel. But when you rely on processed junk, you're starving your gut of what it needs most. And trust me, a sluggish gut can lead to bloating, discomfort, and even more serious issues down the line. The good news is, adding fiber to your diet doesn't have to be hard. Start small. Add a small bowl of oatmeal or an apple to your daily routine. It can make a huge difference. Next up, dehydration. We all know staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, but did you know it's also key for keeping things moving in the digestive department? Water is the lubricant your digestive system needs. Without enough of it, your intestines can't move food along properly, leaving everything stuck. And nobody wants that. The solution? Simple, drink more water. Aim for 8 glasses a day, and start your day with warm lemon water. It's a natural gut booster. Okay, this one might surprise you. Reason 3 for constipation: living a sedentary lifestyle. That's right, spending too much time sitting down isn't just bad for your heart health. It's wreaking havoc on your gut too. If you spend most of your day in front of a screen, your gut feels the impact. Without movement, digestion slows down like a traffic jam during rush hour. We weren't designed to be stagnant, but don't worry, I'm not suggesting you run a marathon. Even a 10-minute walk after dinner can work wonders for your digestion. Get up, move your body, and help your gut do its job. Let's talk about stress. We all experience it, but did you know it could be the culprit behind your constipation woes? You see, your gut and brain are deeply connected. It's like a two-way street down there. When you're stressed, your body goes into survival mode, prioritizing essential functions over digestion. Your body thinks, we're in danger, no time to digest. And what happens? You guessed it, things get backed up. So how do you combat stress-induced constipation? Take 5 minutes a day to breathe deeply, meditate, or do something that relaxes you. It's a small habit with a big impact on your gut health. And finally, we come to a reason for constipation that many people are guilty of: ignoring the urge to go. You know that feeling, right? You have to go, but you're busy, so you hold it. We've all been there. But here's the thing. If you delay using the bathroom, you're essentially training your body to hold it in. Over time, this can desensitize your bowels and lead to more serious complications like chronic constipation or even hemorrhoids. My advice: listen to your body. When nature calls, answer. And try setting a regular time each morning to go. It helps train your system. Remember, your gut is the foundation of your overall health. Taking care of it is crucial for your overall well-being. Which of these tips will you start today? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more life-changing health tips.